Today's module is on brain infections, injuries and tumours. So if you open your textbook to page 39, over here you'll be able to see a diagram of a brain tumour. I'm not sure if you can see very clearly. This is what we're going to be focusing on today. And then we'll be moving on to the effects such as paralysis and the effects they have. Let's see, so let's focus. So if we look at this,
webcams are one of the most frequently used components on our laptops, and yet they almost always deliver subpar quality at best. So if you need high quality footage, you have to spend quite a bit on a new webcam. Or do you? The app in question is called IVcam. This allows you to use your phone as a webcam when connected to your laptop, either through USB or Wi-Fi. I'd recommend using USB since it's much more stable when streaming higher quality footage. The initial setup is very simple. First, install the program on your laptop. I've put the download link in the description below. Then install the app on your phone. And now before connecting your phone to your laptop, make sure USB debugging is enabled. If you're not sure how to do that, here's a quick guide. Open your settings, scroll down to About Phone, then select Software Information and repeatedly tap Build Number until you unlock developer options. Then open Developer Options and enable USB debugging. Now hook up your phone to the computer and wait for your phone to be recognized. Open up the computer program, then the app on your phone, and you're good to go. So now we're recording with the video. So this is the video quality with IVcam, but I think it's pretty good. So if we have several settings to use. So we have the flip setting. So if I want to feel like Spider-Man, I very much can. The mirror option, which I can use to mirror my settings, which is quite useful, I'd say. Diving a bit deeper, you can find some advanced settings here. You have options for your video orientation, the video resolution, for which you can go up to 4K, the frame rate, which the limit is 60 FPS, your video format, and the devices which play and record the sound. There's also some miscellaneous settings for the computer program. For your camera settings, there's options for autofocus, auto exposure, and auto white balance. I suggest you keep them on. If you want to tinker around further, you can even adjust the ISO and exposure manually. So that's a quick overview of the app. It's important to mention that there's just a few extra steps before you can use it with Zoom or Skype, and the instructions are again found on their website. If you've got any further questions, do let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, share it with the world, subscribe, and I'll see you later.